Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 ways you can improve your display screen on your Realme 9E. So in order to do that, you'll need to go to your settings, then navigate to display and brightness, and from here the first setting you want to change is dark, the dim for your phone. So change it from light to dark, and you will see it will change much of your color on the screen, and it will be black, and you'll like it because it's not so damaging to your eyes, and it's more pleasant to actually look at. And another setting you want to change is actually disabling the auto brightness mode, and from here using the slider here manually and setting your setting manually. But keep in mind that the higher your screen brightness is, the more power of your battery your phone uses. So use it wisely and just put it to the side in which you want your brightness to be at the current time. The next option you want to change is actually auto screen off, and change it to longer. For me, actually, I prefer to have my phone unlocked and not lock randomly in like 15 seconds because it's quite annoying. So I like to change it to about 10 or 5 minutes. And another option is if you go to if you go to font and display size. What I like to do is actually change and increase my font size to a bit bigger, smaller, sorry, so more things can fit on my screen. It's a good setting to actually have, and you can customize it and display size as well. And the last thing I'm gonna show you is actually more, and go to screen refresh rate and make sure it's 90 Hz and not auto select or 60, because the higher refresh rate, the faster everything looks on your phone, like how smooth the screen changes from face to face. Like, it just looks much better. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.